All right, Monster Jam fans, welcome back to MonsterJamOnline.com. I'm Sarah Daly, and we're here in Las Vegas, the 2008 Monster Jam World Finals, brought to you by NGK Sparkplug, and all this merchandise stuff you definitely need to check out. You can get the shirts, the truck stuffs, all the brochures, flags, anything you could possibly want to support your favorite monster truck. This tent is the place that you need to scope out. You can also get some merchandise online, and if you want to come out to Vegas and join us next year, log on. 2009 tickets are going to be on sale soon, MonsterJamOnline.com, so be sure to check it out.